Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be showing you how to bake banana bran muffin. It's breakfast time, so let's get started. The ingredients are 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, half cup oil, 1 egg well beaten, 1.5 cups raisin bran cereal, and 1 ripe banana. Now I will preheat my oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Line 12 muffin cups with paper baking cups, or you can grease well. Now I will mash banana, now in a separate bowl beat 1 egg. Beat well. Now I will set this aside. Now in a medium bowl I will add the first 5 ingredients. So 2 cups flour, so this is a half cup, and this is 1/4. One tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon salt. Now I will mix well. Now I will stir in egg, milk, and oil. The batter will be a little lumpy. Now I will stir in banana and cereal. That's 1 cup and a half cup. Now I'm ready to fill the cups. So here we go, guys. I will add a small amount to this batter for some extra sweetness. Looking so good. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. Place your pans on the middle rack. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Okay, y'all, let me test to see if these little ones, these little cuties are ready. I'll use a toothpick too. Yeah, these are baked. So I can take, these are ready. Beautiful. Beautiful. So my muffins are ready and they are beautiful. Awesome. Gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Y'all, look at this. Beautiful. It's still a little warm. Wow, look at all this. Beautiful, guys. My beautiful homemade banana bran muffins. Just ready for breakfast. Look at this, guys. Moist. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know what you think by leaving a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.